Hey folks, this is an unboxing video. We got a device here from Signature Solar. It is the 6000 XP off-grid inverter. This is your template. So you have where your screen is, where the holes are for your mounting screws. You gotta use that. Keep this, don't throw it away. This here, this is your wireless dongle to connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay. Going to set this stuff off to the side. Here we go. Communications cable between other EG4 6000 XPs and the battery cable. These are essentially, I don't know if they're the exact same wiring pattern, but it's it's basically RJ45 connectors on RG6, or not RG6, but on Cat 5e line. Or Cat 6 actually, I think. But I would use their particular connectors. I wouldn't try to make my own. Even though I've made a number of networking connectors, I just wouldn't try to do that. These are your breakers for your generator, your grid connection if you're going to do hybrid mode, or to your load, which goes out to your load center. These are loaded to, these are here in the event that you want to use additional power from the grid and bring that through the 6000 XP, and of course to charge up your batteries when they're low. Over here is this is your solar breaker, or basically your solar cutoff switch. This is 60 pounds, by the way. Very heavy. Your user manual for the off-grid inverter. Lots of good information in there. It also has mounting items in there. And I'm just checking right now to make sure that this is not damaged, because we had some interesting time getting it to us, as a matter of fact, because of the shipping. It's quite interesting. Perhaps we'll go into that another day. But right here, if you can see, this is your LED screen that you can use for programming it for your batteries, or setting up parallel. You can do it all on the app for your computer. I recommend probably that's easier than going through these settings. If you're not reading the manual all the way, it can be a little cumbersome. Read the manual, don't skip that. So I'm just going to put these items back in here because we have lots of stuff to go through. We have lots of unboxings to do. So, and what I don't want to do is try to take up too much time on this video for that. We're going to take this back over to the mountain from here, and we'll have a video for doing the install, configuration, and other items. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon to get new notifications and on new videos. And don't forget to comment down and if you have any questions, and subscribe. Thank you, everybody.